Hey, Ronnie Rock Smith here with USA Digi. And on behalf of my partner, Christian Toder, the creator of this awesome software, we'd like to welcome you to the White Labelify demo. We are super excited to share this with you guys as we know it gives some of the unfortunate ones out there a real winning chance. Because we simply know that not everyone can afford to pay those high-priced developer fees to have just one SaaS product created, let alone 6 of them. So we decided to create White Labelify so that everyone could have a chance to finally start selling their own products. Picking up White Labelify not only gives you the opportunity to go into business for yourself, but you're also getting the deal of a lifetime as you are getting 6 SaaS products for the price of 1. So without further ado, let's jump into the dashboard so I can show you around. So let's go ahead and get logged in. So on the main dashboard here, you're going to see the general report, okay, which is going to show your active white labels. It's going to show available products. It's going to show your total transactions, and it's going to show your active customers. And right here is a little quick start guide, to kind of get you started. But you can also go right here to the documentation, which is going to be all in here. At the time I'm making this, it's not in here yet, but it will be whenever you purchase this. And you can rest assured it's going to be professional training for you because I'm doing this personally myself to make sure that you have good in-depth training on this, okay? So let's go over the tabs over here in the left-hand side of the menu. So in this tab, you have the products. So this is going to show you each one of the products that you get inside of White Labelify. Okay, you're going to see some buttons here and a brief description of each product, and then you can click on to set up your white label for each product, okay? So keep in mind when you do that and you get it set up, you won't have this button anymore, okay? So this is just going to show you what the product is about, and this is also the explainer video that's going to be on your sales page for this particular product, so you can check that out. So let's just have a brief look. Okay, so this is the explainer here. Just going to play a few seconds. Okay, so each explainer is going to explain the product and it's going to be on your sales page for that particular product. You're also going to have live editor for those sales pages so you can change anything or add anything that you want. So that's pretty cool as well. Okay, so let's briefly go over each product and what they are. So the first one is done for you bonus page. Okay, so you can create professional bonus pages using White Labelify. Okay, and you can do this in 3 easy steps. You pick a template, you name it, you add your bonuses, and you click a button. So it's really easy, right? So the second product is create your own surprise product. It's called Scratch and Win Surprise Product. So this is really cool, and I haven't seen this in the marketplace. So this is a genius product, and basically what it is, think about the lottery tickets that you scratch to win money, right? Where your visitors are going to be able to do this using their mouse to scratch off to see what's under it, okay? So it could be $10 off, it could be a special bonus code or what have you. So it's a really cool, ingenious product. So the next one here is done for you thumbnails. So you can create your own YouTube thumbnails, but you can also use these thumbnails on other hosting video platforms such as Vimeo and Wistia and any others that you may be using that accepts, thumbnails for your images. So really cool there. So the next one here is done for you social app. So this is going to enable you to create some social images for your social media. Okay, you can create covers, you can create stories or post. You can pick any of the amazing 113 templates, and we'll be adding more as time goes on. You can customize it and upload your polarizing masterpiece. So another really cool software. So the next product here is done for you simple ads. So those that struggle with creating nice looking ads, because when you have a nice looking ad, it draws attention and it's going to improve your conversion rates, right? So this makes it easy by just simply choosing the templates and then you customize it to match your brand or service, and now you have some winning ads right at your fingertips. And the last product here is done for you logo. So what I really like about this product is it not only creates awesome looking logos that you can use for your websites, blogs, or whatever, but you can actually use this to brand each one of these products here whenever you set up your white label rights. Okay, so that's really cool, right? The other awesome, really cool thing about White Labelify is that you can not only use each one of these products yourself by just creating you as a customer in the back end, but you can brand these and sell these as a service, right? So there's so much you can do with this. This is white label rights, guys. Okay, so let's go over the next tab here. These are premium products. Okay, so we have 2 premium products in here. Done for you Ads Pro, okay? And we have Done for You offer pages. So Done for You Ads Pro is the pro version of Simple Ads, and it's going to allow you to add 10 more ad sizes, plus you're going to be getting additional more professional templates to choose from. So really cool. And Done for You offer pages is going to give you a beautiful dashboard layout to host all of your affiliate products if you're doing affiliate marketing, and it's going to be all in one place. So these can be affiliate products from Amazon, ClickBank, or any other affiliate platform that you're using. You just add the images, add your affiliate links, and you're ready to start selling. So another really cool product here. Okay, so let's check out the next tab, your white labels. So this is not going to have anything in here because we don't have any white labels set up yet. So again, once you're in the product section, you want to click on the set up your white label button to create that white label, and then it's going to show up in your white labels. Okay, makes sense? So let's go through the next tab here. So the documentation tab, that's where all the training is going to be. You can also upgrade your account. So let's have a look in here. Inside the upgrade your account, you can upgrade at any time. For instance, if you checked out using the 75 customers, which is the White Labelify Standard Edition, you can upgrade to the Plus Edition for up to 300 customers. If you need even more than that, you can scroll down and check out the Pro membership. This is a monthly fee, so you can have up to 500 customers in this package, which is the business package, or you could go to the enterprise, which is up to 1,000 customers. So pretty cool there. We give you a lot of options. All right. So next you can check out My Profile here, and inside the My Profile section you can change your password anytime you want to here. And then of course you have the Log Out button. Okay, so right quick, I want to show you what it looks like after you set up your white label. I'm not going to show you how to set up your white label here to save some time, but you will find that inside the documentation where I'm going to be showing you how to set up the white label, and I'm even going to show you how to use the software in here, using the software yourself to create your own logos for your own white label, okay? And I'm also going to be including some traffic training because I know that's important for you to get started with. Now, inside the upgrades, you're going to find some advanced traffic strategies, okay? So you might want to look at some of the upgrades as well whenever you decide to pick this up. But let's take a look at this and see what it looks like, okay? So as you can see here, I have my branding here, and I named my page Done For You Bonus Page Builder. So your customers are going to log in here. Okay, so this is what your customers are going to see, right? They got analytics here, active pages, active bonuses, today's views, total views. You got your dashboard, build new page, my pages, my bonuses. So probably the first thing you want to do is to upload your bonuses first that you want to put in here. Okay, that's what I would do. And then you could start building a page so that you can add your bonuses straight in there. So let's just see what it looks like to build a new page. So to create their page, they would simply choose the subdomain that they want, the product name, redirect the URL, this would be your affiliate link, page title, and then you can add a logo in here if you want to. Again, you could use the software yourself to create your own logo, so really cool. Okay, so let's take a look at my pages here. So I just want to show you kind of what they look like. So I'm going to click here to manage. I have 2 in here at this time. So let me just open this one, and let's go back and open this one as well. Okay, so as you can see, this is the one for Email Fire 3 here. So very clean looking, right? And this is just one bonus, guys, but you can have as many as you want on here. Just to kind of show you what it looks like, right? Click their affiliate link, and this is what this template looks like. So we have 2 templates in here at this time that you can choose from. Both look really nice. And to see the templates, you click on templates here. So this is once you're inside, click here to manage, you'll get to the templates here, so you can check that out. But when you're set up your bonus page here, you can choose which one of these templates that you want to use, okay? So here's how it kind of look with a lot of products on it. Okay, so really cool, right? So that's going to conclude this demo. Thanks again on my behalf of my partner, Christian Toder, and me for checking out White Labelify, and I hope you enjoy it.